I'm out here in the snow, right? And I'm on a corner where everybody's getting stuck. Now, if you see somebody stuck on a corner, do you really want to think that your car is Big Willie and you can get past? Everybody on this corner is stuck. And even though they see the people stuck, they still trying to get past. This is so hilarious to me. I have to tape this. I have to record this. Look at all them cars over there, y'all. And they all stuck. It is hilarious. And then on this corner over here, people stuck. Look at my boot. Look how much snow is out here. See where my feet are? Look where my feet are at. Look at this. Look at this. Can y'all believe this? Look. There go the other foot. Oh my God. Now I'm going to step out of it, right? Look. I'm going to step out of it so you can see. Look at this. Do you see this? Oh my God. Now back to the corner with the crazy people. They are out of their mind crazy. You see people stuck on the corner and you still want to go? Are you serious? Look at this, guys. Do y'all see that? That is how much snow we have. Okay? This is crazy. Bunch of crazy people. It's terrible out here, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all what it looks like out here. It's mayhem out here. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, suckers. It's crazy. Everybody rolling back and forth. Look. Madness. Total madness. Absolute total madness out here. Alright, y'all. I gotta go back inside. It's freezing. Check it out. Check out my tracks. Check out the tracks. Whoa. Those are my footsteps. Holy camole. Holy camole. How many inches is this? Lord have mercy. Madness. Look at New York, y'all. New York. And that car over there is still stuck. It's still stuck. Wow. You guys want to see snow? Look at snow, guys. Holy cow, look at this car. This car is actually buried. Look. That's the back of the car. Look at the front. Woo! This is a trip, y'all. Y'all want to see snow? Look, look. Look at this walkway. Look. Holy cow. Holy cow. Look at this, guys. Want to see snow? Look at snow. This is amazing. Ooh, look at the cars buried. Look at another car totally buried. Look at that. Wow. 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 Look. Look. Who can walk through here? Walk down here. Crazy, isn't it? Isn't this crazy? Wow. This is amazing, guys. That's what we're dealing with. Want to get a full shot? Look. Buried cars. Look at snow. Oh, New York is shut down today. Okay, guys. This is what we're dealing with in Nueva York. There's another car buried. Look. You look down there. Yeah. New York is buried. Winter Wonderland for sure. Wow. This is New York snow, guys. The Long Island Railroad is shut down both ways, suspended. Amtrak suspended. Metro North suspended. Whew, New York is really shut down. Whoa, and snow is just the windshield here is crazy. Crazy.